Here we have a website called Motion Math. As we see here on the screen, it's instructional math games for all kinds of standards involving grades K through 6, all of the elementary math standards. The URL for this is motionmathgames.com, as you can see in the top left corner of the screen. Motionmathgames.com will bring you to the wonderful website. And if we scroll through, we see that there are many different categories in the dark blue: math instruction, remediation, special education, after school, small group, enrichment, and even for English language learners. So lots of different categories. Each one has its own section of bullet points where you can see and read exactly what each category consists of. And if we continue to go down, we see a How It Works page. This website does a very good job of explaining exactly how the program works. Students are given an access code. They immediately access all of the adaptive content on the web via the website and the iPad apps that Motion Math allows. Teachers and admins were able to sign into the dashboard and track the student usage, so they can see exactly what problems the students are doing, what problems they've mastered, and how they can better grow. And the great thing about Motion Math is that it's all about playing games. So it's not just about doing problems over and over again. They are deep games, as they say on their website. So here we see an example where students manipulate a number line from basic numbers to thousands to decimals to negatives. So you do all kinds of different games. You can go through. There's Hungry Fish. I mean, there's tons of games for different grade levels. As you can see, under each game is listed the appropriate grade level. This goes up all the way to 8th grade, which is excellent even into middle school, not just elementary school. And then all the way down here we see all of the different categories of games that you can see. Some are for number lines, some are for addition, some are for subtraction, some are for economics, multiplication, all kinds of different things. And Motion Math Games is it's an excellent site with many awards and accolades, awarded Best App for Teaching. So yeah, overall, I think that Motion Math is an excellent application to use for instructing students on mathematical standards and how to understand and reason with mathematical concepts through games. It's more than just using problems and drills and tables. It engages them in a way that promotes a growing mindset and that promotes stimulation to succeed in a gameplay setting.